Yeah, we're outside. You know, you show them, you show them my old stamping ground when I was small. That's where we are, family. That's where we used to be at. You know? Get your mom's crib, you know, as I grew up with. Yeah, I know you already catch it already, but yeah.
Look at Richie mom over there.
Yeah.
Looking like she 20. This is what we call the scheme. You understand? This is the scheme. We're in a scheme. We're gonna show you guys the life of a coconut business in Jamaica. That's made from scratch. Made from scratch. You understand? This is done from scratch. So we're gonna show you guys how it goes. This is where Richie used to play all the time on this field. Center right there. We're in Villemore. This is where we're at, Villemore.
Yes, yes. Oh, come cut the rabbit. Stop. Stop. Stop it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Okay, I get them ready, brother.
So how many of these you make a day? The small ones.
1,500.
Wow. How long you guys been in business?
25 years now.
25 years.
Before that? Yeah, more. 25 years.
Wow. TV the panina.
Over TV. Got viral.
They have this guy in America who, that's all he does. Rabbit, game, lizard, crocodile, all kind of stuff you can catch, right, honey? Oh, it came out so easy.
No jokes. Really right here. Rabbit. Jerky Friday tomorrow. Is the other thing you said?
So how long you been jerking? What, Friday and Saturday? That's when you open? How long you been doing that?
Boss,
No
now
problem.
man,
Yeah, man, nice, clean.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ready.
What?
Ah.
Clean like. So So how long you been doing this?
2008.
Wow.
My first person that jerk rabbit, man.
Really?
I don't know about rabbit, man.
Yeah?
I started. None of them I say I be rabbits. Yeah.
Alright family, so I'm showing you a little stuff. This is a family-owned business. They've been doing this business for about 30-something years. You understand? One brother run his coconut water business, and the next brother doing jerk chicken, jerk rabbit, jerk pork, all kind of something him jerk. You understand? Him come out on Friday and Saturday. So, but the best thing about it is that it's a family-owned business. They run it. Everything is organized. I already showed you guys some of the factory. I'm gonna show you guys some more. But if you're ever in Jamaica and you want some real authentic coconut water, you gotta come to Spanish Town and I'll give you the information. If you ever come to Jamaica, you have to get this water. But yeah, it's family owned and almost over 30 years. So it's great, great, great business. I'm gonna show you guys. So family, you see? Family owned business. You see that? All coconut. All type of coconut. Coconut for days. You see that? This one right here, that's in the blue tarp, is the one that he just got the other day. These are the ones that he has already cut and got the water out of them. And then these on the back. Let me zoom in family so you can see because we know so noisy. There you go. All the way to the back right there. Those are the ones that's old and then they burn them. You understand? So one thing about Jamaica is that they don't waste stuff. You understand? Everything get burned or fed to the dogs. You understand? So what's this back here, honey? That's where you used to swim?
Yeah.
Wow, you used to chuck off a lot of water?
Chuck off, but right now it's kind of brown.
Because him have him in khaki suit.
Yeah, because of the rain. But here, come look. We used to show you when we was a kid swimming here.
Wow.
But it's brown now because of the rain and stuff like that. But it gets clear.
Clear. Don't let it fool you, family. Not because it's brown, you think, oh no, you can't swim in it. You can't swim in it. It's just the season. The water turned brown.
Yeah.
You understand? So.
But it goes far.
Yeah.
The next one? Full moon.
Sanitizing the bottles, then washing the bottles, then cleaning them out. It's a full process here.
So family, so whenever you're in Spanish Town or Vilmore too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come check the jerk man, wickedest thing, jerk chicken, jerk rabbit, anything you want, all the pork. I know you love the pork too. Huh?
Sheep, goat, everything.
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 Right there. Yeah. Duck.
Everything. Bird.
Bird.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So family, just make sure. Anything, you know, just DM us and give it a location. Simple. So yeah, chicken man, so why you have to cut it even now?
Yeah,
Them
no,
have asked
about
about
the
it.
car get me.
Yeah, no one about that. You wanted to fear them out for your money. For the money, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so you gotta be even family for the money, you know?
Yeah. No, that's to make it out
Yeah,
big one.
nobody
and
shot.
Small,
Yes.
Short one.
Yes. Gotta, oh, so why
Jamaican
you gotta be make it so even? Yes.
Jamaican people turbid and look pounds over.
Yes, true.
Need it.
Need it. They need it for real. Yep.
I like when America trade in the Irish one.
Here's them taking their pictures down. Tunia. And you got Vincent, remember?
Teaching her how to pose.
Famous TikToker. Famous athlete. Volleyball superstar. Rah! Okay. And you know, family, that's the reason why I love Florida, because it reminds me of Jamaica. You know, you can grow your vegetable, your fruits, them. You can kick back, sun all there. It's just beautiful, you know. Everybody doing their business. Everybody's doing something. Jamaican people work hard, man. Jamaican people work hard. You know? Nobody don't wake up and just sit. They wake up and get to work. Business are going every day. You see this? Business are run.
Chatty Chinese. Alright, now family. We're about to go to the river. You know? Breakfast time. Look at this family. Then you have a sweet sap. You know? You have apple. Them get soft. Make an apple then. Mango. Everything here. You know? We just get up now. Yep, it's a family. Yep, this is a backyard. You know? Backyard right here. Yep, this is where I grew up. Mango tree. See me can zoom. You can see some ripe mango up there. Family, I eat so much mango, I don't want no more mango, family. I eat everything. See the mango right in the tree. See if I get some more for you. You know? And then, so now, it's a big yard, Still doing work, you know. This is what we do over here in Jamaica. They burn their trash. They burn the trash, so we burn our trash over here. And it's also get rid of mosquitoes and everything, you know. Rabbit. Rabbit right here. There. Look at them. Nice pretty rabbit. Let's see what we see a better look at them. See? Look. See? Look. Right here. Zoom in better. Right here. See the next one right here. Couple right there. Some pretty rabbits. Okay. So now this over here we call it the gully, family. This fence right here, I would jump in this fence all the time as a kid. Jump this fence. Then look, guinea tree, full of guinea. See? A lot of guinea on here. This is a big guinea tree right here. The Spanish people them call it guinea. That's it right here. All of this right here.